Keeping a good lab notebook, the basic requirements. Lab notebooks provide a convenient place for you to keep all of your procedures, data, and observations in one place. If written well, a lab notebook should contain everything you need to know to allow you or someone else to repeat any experiment you have ever performed. It can be useful in finding the source of errors and unexpected results when problems arise. Should your work ever be disputed, a lab notebook will provide testimony to your research. By following the simple guidelines below, you'll be able to keep a good lab notebook. The notebook should be bound. No spiral notebooks, please. The pages should be numbered either by hand or pre-printed before using the book. Use only permanent ink. Write your name, contact information, and dates the notebook covers on the first page. Skip the next 2 to 3 pages for a table of contents, and fill in the experiment name and page numbers as they're completed. Write the date, experiment title, and partner's name at the top of each page. Sign the bottom of each page and have your partner check and signed as well. The first time you use a procedure, write the whole procedure in your own words in the notebook or tape in the typed version. Include a reference to the lab manual page or the published procedure. Note any changes made to the original procedure. Do not just copy the lab manual or procedure word for word. Restate each step simply and clearly as you performed it. Note if different than the instructions. If you repeat this procedure later, reference the page where it was first performed and write down any changes made from the version on that referenced page. Record your results. All data and observations should be written in your notebook at the time you took the measurement. Don't write on scratch paper to be copied later into your notebook. Little pieces of paper may be lost and data lost forever. Remember, your lab notebook is extemporaneous writing. Keep it neat, but do not waste too much time making it perfect. Errors should be crossed out with a single line. Do not scribble out mistakes. Calculations, data, and images. Write down all calculations, no matter how simple, in your notebook. For example, every time you perform a cell count, cell viability must be calculated and recorded. Permanently attach, glue or tape, images, computer printouts, and other data into your notebook. Date and initial over the corner of the attachment. Be sure to label the image with any pertinent information. For example, if you place a gel image into your notebook, label the lanes with what was in each and the gel composition. If the samples were prepared on a date different from the date the gel was run, make a reference to the page that contains the information on how the samples were made. Include all your details, including complete chemical equations, statistical equations, sample calculations, and sketches or block diagrams of any apparatus used. It's also good practice. Record start and stop times. Include conclusions drawn from the data. What does it mean and how did it work? As expected, if unexpected results occur, explain why. Include expected values with reference where appropriate. Don't skip pages. Use every page of the notebook. If you need to rewrite a page, draw a large X through the page, date and initial, and start over on the next page. The same applies if you don't fill an entire page. Draw a line through the remaining space, date, and initial. That's it. I hope you can keep a good lab notebook now. Let's get started.